Welcome. In a time when our planet needs it most, we're here to shed light on the power of the sun, the ultimate cosmic energy source that has the potential to change the way we live, the way we power our homes, and the way we shape our future. A very special offer just for you. Receive $500 cashback after installation if you make the decision to go solar today. You must act fast. We are only making this offer to 4 more clients this month. As the sun rises, it's not just bringing a new day, it's bringing power to millions of homes and businesses worldwide. Here are some of the reasons why you should make the decision to go solar today. 1. Reduced energy costs. Slash your monthly power bills by up to 60% within the first year by transitioning to a tailored solar system, making energy consumption more affordable and environmentally conscious. 2. Enhanced home value. Increase property value by up to 10% within 2 years with the addition of a customized solar system, offering a significant return on investment and making the property more attractive to future buyers. 3. Energy independence. Diminish reliance on traditional energy grids by 80% within 6 months, granting homeowners more control over their energy sources and reducing the unpredictability of energy costs. 4. Customized energy solution. Experience a 100% tailored solar design that perfectly aligns with your home's energy needs within 3 months, ensuring maximum efficiency and optimizing energy production throughout the year. That is just some of the magic of solar energy. But how does it work, and how can you tap into this abundant source of clean power? What is solar energy? Solar energy works by capturing sunlight using photovoltaic cells, solar panels, that convert it into electricity through a process called the photovoltaic effect. This DC electricity is then converted into AC power via an inverter for use in homes. Step 1. We will request a copy of your most recent monthly electricity bill. Step 2. One of our experts evaluates your 12-month average power usage and property. They'll consider roof size, orientation, and how much sun your location receives. If you are worried about needing a new roof, no problem, we can finance the entire cost of a partial or full roof replacement into your solar financing at a significantly low rate. Step 3. Your solar expert will design a customized plan that suits your current and future power consumption needs. This ensures maximum energy production based on your home's unique characteristics. Step 4. Once the initial design has been completed, your solar expert will review the system design, estimated monthly solar production, and monthly payment with you. Bonus savings. There is currently a 30% energy tax credit issued by the government based on your system cost. You must act fast, this won't last long. Step 5. Once you make the decision to move forward with us, your solar expert will process a short credit application. Once you are approved, we will review payment options with you. You can also elect to pay cash for your new system. The initial credit check is a soft credit pull and will not affect your credit. Step 6. Once you have been approved for financing, your solar expert will schedule a site survey with one of our professionals at your home. This will determine the optimal location of the solar panels and equipment. Step 7. After your home has been inspected, a site plan will be completed. This usually takes 3 to 7 business days from the date of your site survey. Once your site plan is ready, your solar expert will contact you to approve the final design. Step 8. Once you have approved your site plan, we will submit the plans to your city's building permit department for approval. We will handle this entire process for you, giving you the peace of mind that it will be handled correctly. Permits approved. The time it takes for your permits to be approved varies from city to city. Typically, the permits are approved within 2 weeks to 30 days. Step 9. Once your permits have been approved by the city, we can begin your solar panel installation. The installation of the entire system usually only takes 1 to 2 days. Step 10. Once your installation has been completed, we will schedule a time for the city to come to your home for an inspection to finalize the permits. The city does this to ensure that the system is installed according to your local building and safety codes. This time frame varies city to city. Step 11. Once the city finalizes your permits, we will submit the paperwork to the power company requesting permission to operate, PTO. This time frame varies per utility company. Step 12. When permission to operate has been granted by the utility company, your system is activated, and you're officially generating solar power. Step 13. Upon system activation, your solar expert will walk you through downloading the mobile application to monitor your system's daily, monthly, yearly solar production, and energy usage. Congratulations on making the decision to free yourself from unpredictable, fluctuating monthly electricity bills and potentially save hundreds of thousands over time. Take control of your home's electricity today by fixing the monthly payment, drastically lowering your bill, and saving your family hundreds of thousands of dollars over time.